Hey, how's it going everybody? Mike here at Das Trucks with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. Today's vehicle is a 2022 Ford E-350 Super Duty. Now this truck is a twin to the one that we did earlier, which was, that number on that one was 39416. That was the stock number. It's very similar. This one's got 3,492 miles. And just like the other one, this one has some tech features as well. If you guys stick around until the interior. Let's take a look at the tires here. Again, this truck is very new. We did repaint these tires. Sorry, the wheels. Plenty of tread on those tires, plenty of life. We did repaint the box. Seen some folks place their advertisement here for their company. Great way to do advertising there. This one is dual wheel, rear wheel. There's a tread on that other one down here, back here. Checking out the back here, this truck does have a ramp, and it's also equipped with a backup camera up here, which I'll show you how that functions when we get to the interior. I mean, yeah, pretty new box. This truck has been thoroughly inspected and serviced, as well as detailed. Tires has also been, these wheels have also been repainted. And as you can see, plenty of life on all of these tires here. This one is in the Springs location as well. Alrighty, checking out the interior here. As I said before, it has been thoroughly detailed. No rips or tears on these seats. It's got that new car feel. Then let me show y'all, let's start it up. I'll show y'all how this camera here works. So if we just start that up, pop it in reverse, it'll just show up right there. That's your backup cam. Take a look at the miles here. It's that 3,492. Pop out of that. Now this truck, just like the other one, has a pre-collision assistance. Ain't that real cool? All of these twin trucks will have this feature. Let's check out the engine. Alrighty, here we are. This engine is a 7.3 liter V8 V7 engine. Give you all the power you'll ever need. Try to get some good angles for you guys here. Right on, and there you have it. That's your 2022 Ford E-350 Super Duty. Now, if you are interested in a vehicle like this, we've got a number of them. Our phone number and website will be in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed what you saw, make sure you like the video. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you all for watching.